Have you thought about how artificial intelligence is shaping the world around us? From traditional road-based systems to advanced machine learning systems, AI has come a long way. But what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to imitate intelligent human behavior. How does it work? AI works by processing vast amounts of data. Trained on vast data sets, it refines its understanding, making informed decisions and predictions. Its learning process usually involves neural networks and continuous feedback loops that refine the model over time, improving its accuracy and performance. Why artificial intelligence? We are already seeing its magic in virtual assistants, recommendation systems, social media platforms, e-commerce products, autonomous vehicles, fraud detection, healthcare, language translation, chatbots, weather forecasts, and the list goes on. Since its emergence, its evolution has been mind-blowing. Now your question in mind is, could AI potentially replace us? Certainly not. AI isn't here to replace us, but is here to work with us. Collaboration with humans and AI is the future. There you have it, a glimpse at artificial intelligence. Share your thoughts on how AI amazed you. More futuristic tech reels on the way. Follow us.